When people think about services that keep communities running smoothly, their minds often go to industries like plumbing, electricity, or landscaping. Yet, there is a field just as essential, though often overlooked, that contributes significantly to the appearance, cleanliness, and even safety of homes, offices, and commercial buildings: the window washing business. In this video, we are going to talk about window washing business. Before we start the video, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Let's start the video. This industry is one that blends practical necessity with the potential for entrepreneurship, allowing individuals with determination, organization, and an eye for detail to build a thriving venture. A window washing business may seem simple at first glance, but beneath the surface, it is a profession built on precision, reliability, and customer service. Starting a window washing business begins with recognizing the problem it solves. Windows are everywhere, and they inevitably gather dirt, dust, grime, and streaks that diminish visibility and tarnish the look of a property. Homeowners often struggle to clean high windows safely, while office buildings and commercial properties require specialized equipment and trained professionals to reach multiple stories without risking injury. Clean windows improve curb appeal, let in natural light, and create a sense of cleanliness that reflects well on businesses and homeowners alike. By offering this service, a business owner not only helps clients maintain their properties, but also taps into a need that never goes away. Dust and dirt will always return, which means demand for window cleaning is consistent and recurring. At its core, a window washing business is built around tools and techniques. It starts with basics like squeegees, scrubbers, cleaning solutions, ladders, and buckets. As the business grows, equipment may expand to include extension poles, water-fed systems that use purified water for spotless finishes, and safety harnesses for working at height. On the commercial side, there might be investments in lifts or partnerships with building managers to access rooftops for rope descent systems. While the physical labor of window washing requires effort and attention to detail, the real art lies in consistency. Each streak-free pane reflects the professionalism of the business and builds trust with clients who expect reliable results every time. What makes window washing particularly appealing as a business idea is its relatively low barrier to entry compared to other service industries. Someone starting out may only need a modest investment in supplies, transportation, and basic insurance. Unlike businesses that require expensive machinery, specialized certifications, or years of training, window washing can be learned through practice, observation, and commitment to improvement. With low startup costs and a steady demand for services, many entrepreneurs find this field a manageable entry point into self-employment. Over time, as their reputation grows, they can scale by hiring employees, taking on larger contracts, and investing in advanced tools. Another dimension of the window washing industry lies in its wide range of potential clients. Residential work offers steady opportunities, particularly in neighborhoods where homeowners value the look of their properties but may lack the time or ability to clean their own windows. Commercial clients include storefronts, restaurants, and office buildings that want to maintain a polished appearance for customers and employees. Larger accounts may involve hospitals, schools, or high-rise buildings where regular maintenance contracts are necessary. This diversity of clientele allows business owners to choose whether they want to focus on smaller, more personal jobs or pursue large-scale contracts that provide significant revenue but also come with more complexity. Beyond cleaning itself, a successful window washing business relies heavily on relationships and customer service. Clients are not just looking for someone to remove smudges. They want reliability, trustworthiness, and professionalism. Showing up on time, respecting property, and communicating clearly about scheduling and pricing all matter as much as the quality of the cleaning. Many customers return to the same company repeatedly because they feel confident in the people performing the work. Building long-term trust is what turns one-time jobs into ongoing contracts, providing stability and growth for the business owner. Marketing plays an important role in the growth of a window washing business. While word of mouth remains one of the most powerful tools, especially in local communities, the modern marketplace requires a broader approach. A professional website showcasing before and after photos, pricing structures, and customer testimonials can help attract new clients. Social media platforms can demonstrate both the results of the work and the friendly, approachable side of the business. Flyers, local advertisements, and partnerships with real estate agents, property managers, or construction companies can also generate new leads. Marketing is not just about visibility, it is about creating a reputation of professionalism, reliability, and care that makes people choose one company over another. Safety is another pillar of this industry that cannot be overlooked. While washing the first floor windows of a home may seem simple, the risks multiply as jobs involve ladders, rooftops, or multiple-story buildings. Responsible business owners must invest in safety equipment, insurance, and training to protect themselves and their employees. Falls are one of the most common workplace accidents, and customers want assurance that the people working on their property are trained and prepared. Adhering to safety standards not only protects lives, but also demonstrates professionalism that reassures clients and reduces liability for the business. Financially, a window washing business can be structured to provide steady income while also scaling to significant revenue. Many companies operate with seasonal fluctuations, especially in regions where cold winters make exterior washing impractical. However, businesses can adapt by offering related services such as gutter cleaning, pressure washing, or interior cleaning during slower months. Pricing can vary depending on the size of the building, number of windows, difficulty of access, and frequency of service. Some companies charge by the pane, others by the hour, and others offer bundled packages for regular clients. By combining competitive pricing with reliable results, entrepreneurs can create a profitable cycle of recurring revenue that sustains and expands their operations. On a deeper level, the window washing business represents a blend of physical labor and entrepreneurial creativity. It requires the diligence to do careful work while also demanding the mindset of a business owner who must think about growth, marketing, and customer satisfaction. Many people enter this industry because it allows them to work with their hands, see tangible results, and enjoy the independence of self-employment. For those who prefer not to sit behind a desk all day, it offers the freedom of outdoor work, flexible schedules, and the satisfaction of immediate, visible outcomes. For customers, clean windows may feel like a small detail, but it carries psychological benefits as well. Bright sunlight streaming through spotless glass can improve mood, increase productivity in offices, and give spaces a sense of freshness. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. See you in the next video.